everyone, this is Sushma from Bangalore. I'm here to present you an awesome colorful Rasgullas, and today you're going to see how to make sweet and chaat flavored Rasgullas. Isn't that interesting? It's mouth-watering. To know this, please follow me to my kitchen. To prepare the flavored Rasgullas, ingredients that are required are 3 liters of milk, 2 lemons, flavors. I've taken vanilla flavor, green apple flavor, rose flavor, and kesar flavor. Once it comes to boil, add in sufficient amount of lemon juice and keep stirring. Stir until all the paneer gets separated from milk. Take any muslin cloth or cotton cloth and separate out paneer from water. Pack it and squeeze it to remove excess water. To reduce the excess hot, you can also wash it with cold water and then drain all the excess water by squeezing down and hang it for half an hour. Now let's knead the dough. You need to knead the dough with your palm like this to make a soft dough. We'll make 4 partitions from this dough to add in flavors. Now we have blended the flavors well, making small balls. It shouldn't have any cracks. Now to boil the paneer balls in water, we are taking this ratio of 1 cup of sugar to 5 cups of water and few elaichi cloves. So let's get started. On the stove and give it a nice stir. Wait until all the sugar dissolves and then we will boil the paneer balls. Now we're going to dip these balls into this syrup and give them boil for 15 minutes. Plain rasgullas into a bowl of ice cube to retain its shape. Now to prepare the sugar syrup, for 1 cup of sugar, you can add 2.5 cups of water. Now let's add some sugar syrup to make our rasgullas yummy sweet. Flavored sweet rasgullas are ready. Flavored chaat rasgulla, these are the other ingredients. This is beaten curd, coriander, home mixture, coriander powder, chaat masala, chili powder, garam masala, and salt. Taste these yummy delicacies. I think I'll go with pink rasgullas and yummy. And let me also taste the chaat. Just awesome. It's a must-try dish, people. If you like these dishes, please like my video and share. Thank you so much. Love from Bangalore.